I built an entire AI ad campaign brands would actually pay for at a low cost. Sounds crazy, right? In this video, I'm creating everything from scratch. Professional product photos, UGC ads with AI creators, viral ad variations based on winning campaigns, product videos with AI presenters, and a complete set of creatives for social media and e-commerce. But the real question is, will these ads be good enough for a real brand? Let's find out. Before creating anything, let's start the same way a real creative agency would. So for this project, I'm a creative agency, and my client is Loova. The goal is to create a complete advertising campaign of this futuristic sunglasses that can run across multiple channels, including TikTok, Instagram, Meta Ads, YouTube, and e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Shopify. For this campaign, we'll create both video ads and static ads because different platforms require different creative formats. Short-form videos are great for grabbing attention. Static images work well for product pages, promotions, and display ads. Longer videos help explain more complex products and build trust. So now that we have our campaign strategy, let's start building the assets. The first step is not creating an ad. The first step is creating a consistent brand foundation. Without this, every AI generation might look different. And that's a big problem when you're creating multiple ads at scale. So inside Loova Ads Studio, the first thing I'm going to do is create a product kit. Think of the product kit as the brain of this entire campaign. Every asset we create from this point forward will pull information from here, keeping everything visually consistent and on brand. Let's create our first product. You can either upload a product URL from platforms like Amazon, Shopify, Shopee, or other e-commerce stores, or upload your own product images directly. Once you paste the URL, AI automatically extracts the product images, name, description, features, and other important details. Instead of manually collecting all these assets, everything is organized for you in seconds. Of course, you can still edit the product information if you want to refine the messaging or emphasize certain selling points. Once everything looks good, simply click Create, and your reusable product kit is ready. With our foundation in place, it's time to start creating our first ad. For this campaign, the first type of ad we're going to create is UGC. And there's a reason why UGC has become one of the most popular formats in modern advertising. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are built around personal content. People don't open these platforms looking for commercials. Inside Loova Ads Studio, let's open the AI UGC Ad Maker. Here, you can choose from different UGC styles and templates based on the type of ad you want to create. First, I'll select the product we just added. Then, I can choose an AI avatar. I'm going to create my own avatar. If you have any extra references, you can add them here, but I'll keep it simple for this campaign. Next, I'll choose the ad style. I'll go with a virtual try-on format because it feels more authentic and help build trust. Then, I'll pick a strong hook. I'll select hand cover reveal style hook to grab attention right away. Then, choose a vertical format for TikTok and Instagram, 1080p resolution, a 15-second duration, and high quality output. Now let's generate the video. Now we have our first UGC ad, and this is exactly why AI is changing advertising. So instead of creating just one UGC video, I'm going to generate multiple variations. I'll test different hooks, different styles, and even my own look avatar to build a batch of creatives ready for testing. In a real e-commerce campaign, sometimes you only have a product page. Maybe it's an Amazon listing, a Sellify store, a TikTok shop page, or your own website. Inside Loova Ads Studio, we have the URL to Video Ad tool. Instead of manually uploading product images, descriptions, and features one by one, I can simply paste a product URL. AI will automatically analyze the page and extract the key product information for me. This is especially useful for e-commerce brands with hundreds or even thousands of products. Now let's move on to one of the other important parts of performance marketing, creative research. Great ads aren't successful by luck, they follow proven patterns. Maybe it's the opening hook, the pacing, the storytelling, or the way the product is introduced. The problem is that finding and analyzing these winning patterns manually can take hours. So instead of reinventing the wheel, let's learn from ads that have already proven they work. This is where viral ad clone comes in. And just to be clear, we're not copying someone else's ad. We're learning from what already works. So let's use this viral ad as our reference. It has millions of views, great engagement, and a proven structure. Then select the product, create an AI avatar, pick video clone, set the settings, and hit next. Loova then analyzes the hook, pacing, story flow, product reveal, and overall structure behind the ad. Then I'll hit generate. A few minutes later, here it is. And this is another viral ad I cloned. Look at the result. Instead of copying the original, Loova creates a brand new ad using our own product, visuals, avatar, and messaging while keeping the proven creative structure.
Many questions every time I wear these sunglasses. The chrome frame is insane. They're so bold, but somehow still so wearable and sporty. Like the black lens with the silver detail just makes them look so futuristic and chic. They literally elevated my whole outfit without me even trying. I love them. I'll link them below so you can check them out.
Now let's talk about another important type of advertising content. Short form ads are great for grabbing attention, but sometimes customers need more information before they make a decision. Product explainers, tutorials, feature demos, and educational videos can help people better understand your product and build more trust. So for this campaign, I'm also going to create a longer product video. Instead of hiring an actor or recording a presenter manually, we'll use an AI product avatar. First, I'll select our product, then choose Create Myself as the avatar. Next, I'll add the speech. You can write your own script, or use AI to help generate one based on your product information. I'm going to paste the speech to the input box here, then describe how I want the avatar to present the product. Next, I'll select the AI voice. Choose the video format. I'll use a 16:9 format because this content is designed for YouTube and longer form platforms. Then, generate the video. I just received these sunglasses and today I'm doing a full review. And now we have another piece of the campaign for YouTube channel, a product explainer video. I'm not gonna play the whole video here because it's around 5 minutes, but we still need one more important piece, because great campaigns don't only need videos, they also need high quality static creatives. So in the final part, we'll complete this campaign by creating professional product photography and static ads. Inside Loova Ads Studio, we can create professional product visuals without a traditional photo shoot. Let's open the AI product photography. From here, I can create different types of images based on where I want to use them. For Amazon listings, I'll start with clean white background product shots. Then I'll create lifestyle images to show the product in real-world scenarios and feature highlight images to showcase the key benefits visually. Then I'll choose the platforms and output settings and generate. Look how good it is. Everything is created inside the canvas. Managing and recreating assets becomes much easier. Now let's look at what we've actually built. At the beginning of this video, the goal was simple. Create a complete advertising campaign that a real brand could use. So far, we've built UGC ads for short-form platforms, product URL-based ads for faster e-commerce creation, winning creative variations based on proven ad structures, longer product videos with AI presenters, and product static ads for product pages and display ads. Notice how every asset we've created has a different purpose. And let's be honest, traditional ad production is expensive. A single campaign can involve photographers, studios, actors, editors, designers, and weeks of production time. But Loova Ads Studio changed the entire process. Instead of spending thousands of dollars creating one creative, brands can now produce more variations, test different ideas, and launch campaigns much faster. All right, if you want to create AI ad campaigns like this, give Loova Ads Studio a try. Turn your ideas into real campaigns faster, create more creatives, and test what works. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI creative workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.